Ladies and gentlemen, good evening.
Good evening.
Are you kidding me? Okay, I will say again. Good evening. Okay. We spent a wonderful time at Joyful Education together. And we ran the road and made great memories. Now, we'd like to sing a song for you. Three little birds remind us that everything will be alright, so we don't have to worry too much. Please enjoy our song.
Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause everything's gonna be alright. We don't worry about a thing. 'Cause everything's gonna be alright. Don't worry, my